Hello children, you know that the capacity of a container is the amount of liquid that it can hold. Okay, containers with different sizes have different capacities. A large container has more capacity than the smaller container. Okay, we use cups, glasses, buckets or jugs to measure the capacity of a container. But to measure the capacity correctly, we need to use some standard units. Otherwise, a container's capacity will be different when measured with different non-standard units. So, we need to know what is the standard unit of capacity. So, here the answer is liter. Okay, now you know that 1 liter is 1000 milliliter. Now, when I have to express 1 milliliter into decimals, then it's 0.001 liter. That is 1 is divided by 1000, so it will be 0.001 liters, right? Now we are going to see decimals in measurement of capacity. Check the given question here. Convert the following into liters. So here the first question goes 8455 milliliter. You have to express it in liters. Now as 1 liter is 1000 milliliters, I have to express 1 milliliter is how much? That is, this number is to be divided by 1000. Okay, so these many liters. Now, when it is divided by 1000, three zeros are there. So, last three digits is the remainder, which is actually here the milliliter part, and before that the liter part is given. So, here the answer will be 8 liters and 455 milliliters, and here you have to write the bigger unit. Fine. Now suppose I am writing the second question as say only a 256 milliliter. 256 milliliter, you have to express it into liters. So it means that 256 is to be divided by 1000. These many liters. Fine. So here when it's divided by 1000, last three digits, and as it is three digit number only, 256 is milliliter part, and how much is liter? That is 0. So 0.256, and the unit will be liters. Write the correct unit. Here the bigger unit you need to write. Okay, one more question. Say here you have to express 15 milliliters into liters. It means 15 divided by 1000 liters. So what is my answer? I have to express 15 in three digits. After decimal point, that is here 0, 1, 5, and this is 0, and this will be now liters. Before decimal point, that is the bigger unit you have to write, and after decimal point, the smaller of the two units you have to write. Okay, one more question I am writing. Say here 7, 8, 9, 6 milliliter is how many liters? It means, okay, here one more digit I am writing, say 5 also. So it means 7, 8, 9, 6, 5 upon 1000 liters. Fine. So which are the last three digits? 7, 965. So 965 is milliliter part. Okay, and 78 is liter part. So here the answer is 78.965, and as I said, the bigger unit you need to write. Okay. Now see this question. Convert 31 liters 71 milliliters into liters using decimals. Okay. So you may do it like this also. Say somebody has done 1 liter is equal to 1000 liters. Okay, so how much is 31 liters? So 31 liters, they will get it as 31,000 liters, right? And then, sorry, 31,000 milliliters. Fine. So here plus 71 milliliters. So here when they add up, they will get it as 31,071 milliliters. So this is the answer. And in decimals, when you want to express, then it means that this is to be divided by 1000. So here you will have it as 31071 divided by 1000 liters. So last 3 digits will be for milliliters. So it means that 31.071 liters, right? Now this can be also done as I said, and again I am telling that it's the question of liter milliliters. So you have to recall that 1 liter is 1000 milliliters. So after decimal point, you should have 3 digits, right? And before decimal point, you are writing the bigger unit, and after decimal point, the smaller unit. So here, before decimal point, that is liter given. So here you have to write 31 over, and then this is a 2-digit number, and after decimal point you want 3 digit. Why? Because this is the relationship. 1 liter is 1000 milliliter, 3 zeros. So it means that 71 you have to express it in 3 digits. So I can write it as 071, and the bigger unit L, liter. Okay, this you could have done directly also. Now look at the question given here. The capacity of an empty container is 9 liter 500 milliliters. The water level was observed to be 3 liter 25 milliliter. How much more water can be filled in it? Okay, so this is the question for liter and milliliter. 1 liter is 1000 milliliters. So after decimal point, I should have 3 digits. So here this is 9 liter and 500 milliliter, that is the capacity of the container. That is, I can express it as 9.500, right? And this much water was already there. So 3 liters in liters column, and then here this is 25 milliliter. So 25 I have to express it in 3 digits. How? So it will be 0, 2 and 5, and then you may subtract. So here you will have it as 5, 7, 4 and 6. Okay, so how much more water can be filled in it? So you can write that 6 liter 475 milliliter water can be filled in it. Okay.